Hello, Eller's here, and today we are going to be running this championship. That Mustang is just going crazy, and I really hate it when at championships horses are rearing a lot, because it's bad enough that you're bringing your horse to a place where you're literally swimming in horses, and they can freak out. But when you purposefully buck like that horse, there was nothing to scare him. He actually had to clear out space when he started, and then this really just sucks. It's like, oh, thank you for going inside of my horse. Thank you a lot. That was just made my day just a million times better. And wow, that bareback set really is popular on that horse. I wonder where you find those pants, though. All right. I think those are from the mall. I really need to buy those. Or I'm going to buy the, whatchamacallit down there. We are going to do this championship, and why does it keep on giving me that notification? I'm not passing the starting line. Ugh. But yes, we're going to get those jog purrs soon that you buy down there, just as soon as our reputation level is high enough. I don't know what reputation level I need to be. Hello, child. So yeah, I do know that there are some Mustangs, and of course, they are one of the faster games on this game, but nobody's passing me, so that's really nifty, and I know Whoa, I was scared for a second there because I thought it wouldn't count, but some people don't know this shortcut. Yeah, it really helps you, but just don't bang into those rocks. That's the only time that it doesn't help you. And straight to the top of the scoreboards, like usual. Okay, this is very, very fun. I really need to win this championship so I can sell the medal, because to tell you the truth, I really need money on the game. Easy boy, easy. Okay, wow. That scared me. But so far, Onyx Magic during the years, he's just gotten used to... Oh, whoa. That was close. If you were... thank you. Oh, the good thing is that the person who's following me is the Jorvik starter pony. And wow, are they glitching? Because I think they're glitching. They're going too fast. Yeah, no, they're perfect. They're fine. Because I know for a fact that... No, wow. Thank you, Onyx Magic. Oh my god, that gave me a heart attack. A heart attack? No, I didn't find any saddles at the mall that just happened to be extremely hard. No, that really didn't happen. What am I even saying? Get along, boy. What on... Okay, for a second I thought that was a person, and I was like, what? Nobody was ahead of me. This is really fun. We're at the top of the scoreboards. But I shouldn't continue saying that, because then I'm going to go down to the lowest part of the scoreboards. This is usually where I go from 3rd place to 7th place, and then from 7th place to 13th place. So yeah, that's just known to happen right about now. But Onyx Magic knows this championship really well. I know how to navigate him, and he knows how to do the jumps properly. And I know, like, jumps like that, you can't actually jump them. I mean, I've seen people glitch and jump them, but I can definitely not jump them. Here goes! Are we gonna get first? Jump! Yes, first! We did it, guys! We got first, we got our $500, which is really good, because I had to buy hay today. And... trust me, that took a chunk out of my savings. But other than that, we are going to train today. Oof. Actually, this was kind of a pop-up. Like round. I mean, round. No, what am I saying? It wasn't a round. It was a championship. Hello. But yeah, this was a pop-up one because I didn't actually know that we were gonna do it. Oh no, that person is either glitching very bad or just showed up late for the championship. I hate it when that happens. Oh god. I dropped. I need to drink my water. Oh look! Hi! I'm never getting Spirit, by the way, just to let you know. I'm not getting Spirit because I will get a Mustang, but the thing about Spirit is you can't put tack on him. And I want a Mustang that can be a Western horse that I can put tack on him. Wow! Good boy. I'm so proud of Onyx Magic. He just did that like a... But still not bad for the first time. I wonder what place she got. I don't think... Thanks, I won. No, I'm not gonna comment that. They're just gonna go hate on me. Hey, I know a shortcut, dude. Yeah, see? I'm faster than you. What? No, that's a glitch. No, I don't always... Wow, yeah. The Star Squad is here, and I just love the Star Squad. Sometime I want to be in the Star Squad. It'll probably never happen, but we can still try our hardest. Okay, oh boy. Okay, we're just gonna do these stuff so that we can continue trying to get closer and closer to getting the elite track. Honestly, I've wanted the elite track for like legit 3 years. No. I've been playing Star Stable for 3 years, and I've only been a Star Rider for 4 months, so I can't have been wanting it for... Okay, never mind. I haven't wanted it for 3 years. That's just a bit of an exaggeration, just a bit, because, you know, I've only been wanting it for like 1 month, and that's only a little bit less than... It's only a little bit less than 30 months. 3 years. No, I'm kidding. I don't believe in the stupid Illuminati thing. I'm sorry if you do. I'm very, very sorry. I'm probably being very rude. Now that the championship is over, we are going to put on our stuff that actually just looks nice. Oh, whoops. That's an ugly helmet. See, this is what I've been wearing, and then I've got my normal, like, jumping sweater, but I find that it does not match at all. Anyways, now we're about to be stuck in each other. Wow. Oh my god, it actually makes a funny sound. I never knew that. By the way, I'm very happy because today we hit... Not today. Yeah, maybe it was today. Today we hit 15 subscribers. And I know people who have, like, 1,000, a million subscribers are like, that's nothing. That's nothing at all. I have like 3,000 subscribers, but it's a lot to me because I never actually thought I was gonna get 10 subscribers. I thought that it would just be like fun for my friends, a few family members, maybe just to watch a few of my videos, which is why I haven't invested in ads or anything. So yeah, this is kind of Training Adventures. I'm not going to add it to Training Adventures though, because it's not really a Training Adventures, because we also did other stuff. But yeah, we are going to train just for Jorvik shillings. Oh wow, we've got a lot of Jorvik shillings. We only have like, well, once we cash in our ribbon, we'll only need about, whatchamacallit number, more. So yeah, that's totally a number. Whatchamacallit is totally a number. He's a boy. Oh god, now the horses start freaking out. Wait, what? Wait, a while ago all 3 horses were rearing, and then last time I did this, it was only 2 horses, and now it's just Onyx Magic's twin. because that is actually Onyx Magic's twin. I forget his name, which is bad, but yeah, Onyx Magic comes from Jorvik stables, and he was a racehorse. He used to do, like, racing a lot, but he was going down in the scores because just a few things, and wow. That's what happens when the Star Squad comes to town. Wait, is that Violet's sleepy bear? No. Yeah, see, when oh my, oh no, like, when the Star Squad comes to town, just everybody huddles around the Star Squad because they're cool. It's the truth, peoples. I have no idea how much more XP I need to get the other thing, but I think it is not a lot. Easy boy. Aw, you only get plus 15 with Jorvik stables for this race? This is a long race, and trust me, it is not the easiest. Okay, we gotta get that down. Ouch! My knee! I broke my knee! Okay. Wow. Yeah. Whee! Yeah, it's a long story where he came from. Basically, his mom was his dad was actually, oh my god, I'm blanking on all of his information except for that he's a boy, he's a thoroughbred, and his name is Onyx Magic. Oh god, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I'll think of it in a sec. Right, so his mom was half Lusitano. She was half black Lusitano and half thoroughbred, but not a thoroughbred like an English thoroughbred. She was a type of thoroughbred that it's like, I think it was a Dutch thoroughbred or a French thoroughbred. I think it was a Dutch thoroughbred though. And then his dad was a white horse, and he was a white Mustang / thoroughbred mix. So that's why he has such, I find he has such good breeding, because he's got the western bit from his dad, since his dad was a Mustang and did whatchamacallit. But yeah, that was a nice race. But yeah, I just really like his breeding because he has a bit of everything. So he's got the Lusitano, which is very good for jumping, liberty, and dressage. But he's also got that speed that you really want on a horse to win championships. And just because I'm nice, I'm going to do the jumping race on camera. At least I'll have to say goodbye while I'm in the middle of the jumping race. And that was just world's best jump. Round of applause. I bet you've never seen somebody jump better than that. Okay, well, let's gallop. Fly. Easy, boy. Easy, you don't want to run over Lizzie. Thank you. Okay, we can do this, boy. I gotta keep an eye on the time. Sorry, I can't really watch the time, so just bye now. It might end on a cliffhanger. Whoa, I just really think this is a difficult jumping course. It's got some really extremely weird angles. Like, who actually can do that turn without slowing down? Nobody is the answer. And if you said something different, you're wrong. Blah. Okay, we can do this. We're heading for home. Oh yeah, we will have enough time to finish it on camera. What was I thinking? You only need to get 35 seconds to get gold. But anyways, which I already have. Anyways, see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye! Good luck doing any championships of your own. Just use the shortcuts. Take a risk. Bye!